How ChatGPT helped two friends convert rupees 15,000 investment
into 1 crore business. Welcome back, champions. So let's discuss how two friends developed an AI research tool called Dime a Dozen using generative AI powered ChatGPT. Let's learn how these two friends invested $185 in their business venture and later sold it for $150,000. So according to the report by a CNBC, Sel Elo and Monica Powers developed Dime a Dozen, an AI research tool designed for testing business ideas as a side hustle. In 4 days, the tool will let users fill a form about their idea and then input answers to ChatGPT to get useful answers. Soon after working with the tool, they started to charge $39 for a comprehensive report. With the help of ChatGPT, they compiled results
quickly as opposed to the time taken by traditional analytics agencies or search engines.
About 7 months, Dime a Dozen brought in more than $66,000, CNBC said, citing their documents. It was split evenly between Elo, who is a chief technology officer for tech startups, and Powers, who is a product designer and entrepreneur. The duo paid $150 for the web domain and $35 on hosting and a database, and nearly all of it was profit. Elo was cited as saying,
"Last month, they struck a deal to sell their side hustle for $150,000 to another duo. One is a software engineer, the other a product designer. The new owners reportedly want to make Dime a Dozen their full-time jobs." Meanwhile, Elo and Powers are still involved in Dime a Dozen in the capacity of company advisors, and spend a few hours nurturing the business.